Good evening, viewers. Welcome to our podcast. Today I am with Mrs. Mafaune coming from Kosana South SDA Church, and I speaking is Delighting Ngube. So we want to talk about a pressing issue with the youths in our time right now lapha eZimbabwe. We have got ama youth amaningi phandle lapha. We want to talk about how they are supposed to be able to thrive in this Zimbabwean economy. Economy enzima kangaka. Mama, we have got abantu abatsha that are graduating from our universities each and every year, but imsebenzi, they are not getting the jobs that they want to get using the degrees that they graduated with from university. Abaningi bankuna vele umsebenzi abawuthole, asazi ukuthi indaba le sibamba njani when we go into real life after school. So kumele siqalise ukuthi sisebenze lani.
Salibonani balaleli. Umbuzo owubuzayo is a very difficult question, though we living in this reality limited jobs in our country.
Okay.
Mina nxa ngikhangele, what is happening is due to weak industrial base yethu as a country. Ilizwe lethu kalisela ma-industries amaningi. Okay. Let's take for instance, if you know Bulawayo long back, ukuthi nxa sasikhuluma nge-industry sasiyabe sikhuluma ngama-factory akwanisa ukulungisa izicathulo.
Yes.
Silama-factory agaya umumbu esipha impuphu. But currently there is nothing. Ungangena koBulawayo uyafika umangala ukuthi kade what has happened to our industries.
Yes, abantu abaningi abakwazi nxa kuthiwa kontuthu ziyathunqa, okuthunqayo kahle kahle yikuyini.
Yes, ukuthi kwakuvele kusuke ngaphi kuze kuthiwe kontuthu ziyathunqa. Kwakungama-industries ayabe esebenza abantu bekwanisa ukuthola imisebenzi. But due to the current economic situation yethu, our industries are very weak. Also kudinga ukuthi singafundi sikhangelele ukuba employed.
Okay.
But sifunde sikhangela ukuthi sibe ngama-entrepreneurs.
All right.
Yeah.
But as I look at it, isikolo lokufunda kumele kube investment employing yomuntu, and it seems like eZimbabwe it's becoming more of a liability than investment. And most people are looking at the church as a place of hope ukuthi maybe bengathola ukuqiniswa ichurch banike something, and ichurch izikhathi eziningi ingani iqine kakhulu ngokuya ezulwini, and okwalapha emhlabeni ngana ayikukhangelanga. And the other thing probably ukuthi khona izinto zatshintsha eZimbabwe, ama-industries avalwa, and thina imqondo wethu lokufunda as the citizens of this country that is dying economically, we didn't change our mindset ngendaba yokufunda. We still learn, because ukufunda uyakufundela ukuthi uyeqhatshwa. You don't go to school ukuthi uyenze degree so that you can open a business. You go to school uyenze degree ukuthi uyeqhatshwa ngomunye umuntu, of which economy esesiphila kiyo yona ifuna ukuthi khona sifundele ukuyenza imali ngendlela ezitshiyeneyo ezingelani sometimes lento esizifunde esikolo.
Ngiyavumelana lawe in the sense of ukuthi I think our curriculum as a country ayikho broad enough to empower people to work to run a business. I'm not sure whether to put it like ukuthi umuntu athi run his own business. I-curriculum yethu ifundisa ukuthi umuntu abe yisiqhatshwa. Yes. Ungacompare le China.
Yes.
IChina ipha abantwana opportunities from preschool ukuthi abekwazi ukuthi ngezandla zakhe uyakwanisa ukwenza ulutho, akwanisa ukuphila ngcono. Even singakhuluma ngeagriculture, one of our main industry lapha eZimbabwe. Abantwana thina abantu bethu bafunda i-benefit of agriculture sebekhulile, i-practicality yankhona. I think we are more into theory ezintweni ezifanele ukuthi ngaziba practical. Ukwenzela ukuthi ubekwazi ukuthi vele nxa kuthiwa ngiyasebenza engadini kufanele ngenze
Kufanele
ABCD
ngifike
and my input iza ngipha inzuzo yakusasa emikangaka.
Eh.
Then on the side le church, i-church I will say is very limited. Ngoba i-church is guided by the Bible.
Okay.
Ikhona ukusincedisa ukuthi sithi build our faith. So ikhona ukuncedisa our mindset in understanding ukuthi nxa sisemhlabeni lapha sikhangelele ukuthi siphile sikwazi ukuthi siye ekhaya ezulwini. So as much as sikhangelele ukuthi siphile siye ekhaya ezulwini, i-church iba limited ekusipheni i-empowerment yokuphila emhlabeni.
All right.
Ngingathi kudala i-economy i-stable i-balanced, it was working good ngoba the economy was stable, but now isikhathi esesikiso I think i-approach ye-church kufuze
Kumele
ichinje
itshintshe, yes.
ukwenzela ukuthi abantwana bengalahleki.
Yeah, because asikhonzi nxa into zingahambi kuhle akukhonzeki. All right, we are getting these ideas from Mrs. Mafaune. We are going to pause for now. So talking about the church, singavula iBhayibheli lethu look to verse 52. It and Jesus grew in wisdom and in stature and in favor with God and men. Wisdom, we are talking about wisdom, earthly wisdom. We're not talking about ulwazi lokuba kwazi ezulwini. Ukuba kwazi kwezulwini yikulapha khona in favor with God and men. So it means ukuthi uJesu nxa ubaba wakhe wayebaza la wayenjani wayefunda kwapha. And sesikhulumile ukuthi church yethu bengani i-one sided. Emalangeni isingani isizama ukuthi ilethe izinto ezile empowerment ama lessons lan, but most of the times the people or the entrepreneurs that we bring to talk to the youths about entrepreneurial ideas isikhathi eziningi they are not being honest with our with themselves abayenzayo kumbe however abayenza ngayo imali. At the end of the day njengabantu abatsha sayilonke stuck endaweni eyi-one. We heard you talking but we are still stuck because we didn't get exactly esikudingayo ukuthi sikwanise ukuthi siphumelele. So angazi ukuthi into yakhona kumele ibanjwe njani ukuthi sikwanise ukuthi siye phambili.
That's very true, though a bit difficult. Nginanzelela ukuthi when we get abantu abazosincedisa or trying to empower us, they give us information engani yabalwa nje ebhukwini, not reality. So ngicabanga ukuthi mina we need people who are real.
Exactly.
Abazasincedisa from the root. Kwesinye isikhathi abantu ababuya bekhuluma lathi babengani bayashayina like they are bragging ukuthi bona sebekuleyani level. And kwesinye isikhathi bengasasitshela iqiniso langikhona ukuthi vele ukuthi ufike ku level leyi njani. Yeah, so we need to get it from the root ukuthi ukuzukwanise ukuthi urana a business kumele ube ngumuntu onjani.
Alright.
Ngoba there are so many elements that are needed besides, let's say, capital. Ukuthi nxa usithi wena you want to start a business kufanele ube kwazi exactly ukuthi uqalisa ibusiness lani, ujongeni. Ezinye izinto ziba easier to do or to love ukuthi uzenze impilo yakho yonke if you are passionate to it than ukuthi ukwenze ngoba ubona umqhele wenza.
Alright.
Anjo umqhele ulama strengths akhe wena ongelawo. So if esekhethe a certain line to follow wena ubusufuna ukulungisela ngoba ubona umqhele senza imali lapha,
umuntu sethengisa ama bread,
you're bound to fail. But ungazisearcha and find strength yakho lapha ekhona kuzaba easier. To me, I've realized ukuthi most of the people who make it in their businesses ngabantu asebeke basebenza first
Exactly.
asebenze ku-industry yona leya kiyo nxa esesuke siyaqalisa ibhizinisi yakhe aqalise something that is in line with umsebenzi akade wenza
akade wenza,
uyabe
right.
sele experience
Experience,
le idea yokuthi how does it work.
All right.
So coming straight from university or